guys, it's like master here. I don't have that book now with me. And I was like that. I keep shouting. So, not inside school, outside school, not. I'm going to talk about something. I'm going to show you how cats again. Cat house here. Okay, I only have 2 cats left. I'm going to show you the 3 kids first. Now, I was there, I tried a while ago and it messed up. I'm going to show you the 3 kids. Do you know Eclipse? I don't know the guy's name. And Marsh. Yes, and now is Mr. Friendly, it's my thunder. Okay. And now the 3 kittens were adopted and given to someone else. And Mr. Bunchoy was it's okay, Bunchoy. It's when it's we call it the younger one. He got he died on that wheel because I'm not a wheel. I thought about the light is wheel. Well, you were Mom's red light. Red light then, but I'm going on. But the younger kitten was there. He relaxed in the wheel when Mommy called my mother. Yes, we saw that he died. It's over that position. And now, YangYang was sick, and he got away. He got away from a month ago. And now he's just over on that side. And that's it. And I'm going to show you now the 2 cats. Okay, here they are. First one. Tao. 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 Tao, why don't you want to come on, Limil. We just find Suho. Okay, guys. Who's there? That black thing. That's Suho. See? You can't actually see it. But it's Suho. And Tao left. If you want to see some more videos and more challenges, if you want to do challenges, let's subscribe. Let's get 100 subscribers. If we get 100 subscribers, I will do a bottle flip. And if I get 1,000 subscribers, I will do a ice bucket challenge. So, for the subscribers, tell your friends to subscribe now. Well, actually, I have a channel that they subscribe here. So, see you now. Bye.